Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn about Bold Reports embedded reporting. Our agenda is to cover the following topics. What is embedded reporting? What is Bold Reports embedded reporting? How does embedding work? What's included in the embedded reporting setup? Benefits of embedded reporting. Features of embedded reporting. And how to integrate reporting tools. Let's get into the details. Embedded reporting allows you to incorporate Microsoft RDL reporting functionality within your own software application. For example, let's say a businessman is building sales software and wants to showcase the sales history as presentable reports without redirecting his clients to another application or URL. In that case, embedded reporting would be the best choice. Bold Reports embedded reporting by Syncfusion is one such option. It is a powerful SDK for embedding business intelligence reporting tools in your software applications and presenting them to your clients as your own. Your reports may reside on the Bold Report server, ssrs, any external server, or within your application. Clients to your application can create, edit, or view the reports directly in your application using REST APIs or the Bold Reports Web API service. You can embed reports from Bold Reports Server, SQL Server Reporting Services, any external server, or from your own application. If you are embedding from our Bold Report Server, Syncfusion provides REST API support in Bold Report Server to embed a fully functional reporting solution. With REST APIs, you can list the reports owned by a particular user, add reports to a user, delete reports for a particular user, and even create a recurring schedule for users to receive reports from your client application. If you are embedding the report from SQL Server Reporting Services, any external server, or from your own application, Bold Reports provides a Web API service. Using the Web API service, users can view or design a report from your client application. This easily adaptable business intelligence reporting application includes a report server, what you see is what you get report designer, report viewer, and report writer that make reporting processes easy. Using our report server business intelligence report management server, you can create, view, publish, manage, and distribute pixel-perfect paginated RDL reports behind your organization's firewall. You can also serve the reports from Bold Report Server to clients by directly embedding them into your application interface. The what you see is what you get web-based report designer transforms your data into insightful pixel-perfect ssrs RDL or RDLC reports using rich data visualization items without writing a single line of code. You can seamlessly connect to the commonly used SQL and NoSQL data sources and build paginated reports. You can view and print RDL and RDLC reports directly from your application using the report viewer. You can easily export reports to a variety of common formats like PDF, Word, Excel, CSV, PowerPoint, XML, and HTML, and share them with people who may not have access to the application. Programmatically create and export ssrs RDL or RDLC reports in web and desktop applications. With a cross-platform .NET reporting library, without relying on a user interface. These reporting tools are provided in the form of NuGet packages, assemblies, and scripts to make the embedding process easier. The embedding process can be component embedding or iFrame embedding. In component embedding, you can embed the report viewer or report designer component into an application and it will connect reports from Bold Reports Report Server, SQL Server Reporting Services, or any external server, or any application. If the reports are in the Bold Report Server, and you want to display them from your application, then you can obtain the authentication token from the back end. And then pass the report properties, like the authentication token and report path, to render the reports securely. You can design, edit, publish, or view reports on the go without any further requests. If the reports are in a SQL Server Report Service or any other external server, and you want to display, edit, or design them from your application, Then you need to create a web API service to connect that particular server. And then you need to pass the report properties like service URL, server URL, report path, and credentials to connect the server to render the report. If the reports are from your own application, and you want to display, edit, or design them from the same application, without server communication, then you need to create a web API service to connect to. And you need to pass the report properties like service URL, and report path to render the report. In the iFrame embedding, reports will be rendered inside the iFrame, where the authentication will be supplied from the report server. All you have to do is just copy the embed code from the server and paste it in your app. Let me tell you the benefits of embedded reporting. The foremost benefit of embedded reporting is that you can embed our reporting tools into your own business application and present it as your own. Besides, embedded reporting has the following capabilities. It generates pixel-perfect, printable reports. It supports embedding RDL reports from report server directly into your application. It supports embedding the reporting tools with desktop and web applications. It migrates solutions from ssrs with a shallow learning curve. It migrates a collection of prepared RDL files without any modification. Now, let's look at the major features of the embedded reporting SDK that make reporting processes easier. Embed bold reporting tools within the latest web and desktop technologies. This works with desktop platforms like UWP, WPF, and server-side web technologies such as ASP.NET Core, ASP.NET MVC, and ASP.NET Web Forms. It also works well with JavaScript frameworks such as Angular, React, and more. And Blazor. The SDK setup provides a control panel to access samples and demos of the reporting tools. You can check out the samples to explore the embedded SDK features firsthand. You have control over all UI elements, toolbar, widget panel, parameter block, page, and dialogues, and behaviors of the reporting tools. It provides the best user experience through a rich set of developer-friendly APIs. The SDK provides pixel-perfect built-in themes in Material, Bootstrap, and Office 365 designs. In addition, the library comes with an accessible high-contrast theme. You can customize the layout and theme to match the host application's look and feel. Easily build applications to be used by a global audience in various languages, using culture and localization settings of the reporting tools. The SDK lets you embed only what you need instead of the complete reporting module. You can also embed one or more reports in your application, as needed. 35+ widgets provide a rich visualization experience. Widgets include bar charts, column charts, pie charts, tablets, matrix, indicators, gauges, barcodes, and more. The SDK provides a rich user-friendly interface to design, view, and export reports. The what you see is what you get design time experience is pixel perfect. Consume data from a wide variety of SQL and NoSQL data sources. Create and view data relationships in a few clicks with a user-centric query builder interface. The easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface helps both technical and non-technical users to generate data queries with a few clicks. Custom data sources can be added on request. You can easily export reports to a variety of common formats like PDF, Word, Excel, CSV, PowerPoint, XML, and HTML, and share them with people who may not have access to the application. You can explore these tools and their features right away by installing the embedded reporting setup. To download the setup, visit your Bold Reports account page. There are a couple of videos that explain how to integrate the reporting tools seamlessly into your web or desktop applications. Watch them to learn about the integration process in just a few minutes. If you are new to Bold Reports, schedule a free demo or start a free trial. You will find the links in this video's description. I hope this video provided a clear overview of the Bold Reports embedded reporting tools. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on Bold Reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.